Morning to all of the student. Today we'll learn about the concept related with the um, open elective subject for your semester this semester, and it is concerned with digital marketing. So broadly, whenever we consider this parameter regarding the any parameter related with the digital marketing concept. So the open elective subject is concerned with weekly two lectures related that, and we have an internal examination that is a concerned with which university will be assigned. That is a CCA exam. It is a 15 marks, and end sem exam is a 35 marks. So related with that parameter, we have a total two lecture and concerned with that one. So regarding general view of the and why the university will be added this subject is that one. So currently we know that most of the trends will go with digital marketing. New number of applications, parameters will be there. Every company need to make a marketing of their products and whatever the developments will be occurs, and it's reach to the every customer, or some we say that the people, so they can increase their sales trends and the whatever the parameters. So actually considering with this digital marketing subject, it is basically concerned with four unit, and all four unit is related with the some of the related basic information and parameters. So considering the first unit related with a digital marketing concept, so they explain about that what is a digital marketing, then what will be a traditional marketing, what is the difference between the digital marketing and traditional marketing. That concept will be a clarify in the first unit. Also they explain some of the we say that platform or related with that use for the previously in traditional marketing, and what will be used by a digital marketing, what effect will be occurs when we go with a digital marketing. So that parameter is very concerned with that one, and it is very important related with that to understanding the basic difference between the traditional and digital marketing. That concept will be explained. Then there are a number of parameter will be explained. That is each platform they explain with some of the example and parameter. Then whenever we go with the second unit, in second unit, whatever the platform, or we say that landscape, in syllabus we generally we say that what are the landscape of your digital marketing, and that will be also explained in details. Just like we say that email marketing is one concept, how the email marketing will be done, what are the types of email marketing related with, then social media, one of the landscape or the platform which that the, so what are the types of social media marketing. With the example they try to explain each and everything in a second unit related with the number of parameters and way of to make a digital marketing depend upon this. Then what is the need of and which parameter require for a specific type of marketing. So they explain each and everything basic concept of that one, define first what is that platform, and how it will be effect best. One of the highly recognized that is a mobile marketing parameter that explain with some of the example and some cases and some tasks also they given related with that. So we have to complete also that one. Regarding this first two unit is related with the introduction of digital marketing concept. uh, and but third and fourth unit is mostly concerned with use of the particular platform. So in third unit, they explain about the Facebook parameter. So how the Facebook will be used for the marketing concept. What are the parameter will be used in digital in Facebook. How we set the Facebook advertising account. How we post. How the post will be mostly like related with marketing concept, how the customer will be attract and particular customer will be reach and getting the information by the Facebook way of the Facebook will be concentrate on the customer. That will be a parameter explain what is then hash tag parameter they explain in the third unit. So the third unit is basically how the Facebook will be a work for the digital marketing for the different parameters, how we profile created in a Facebook, what is avatar, that will be a concept will be clear in a third unit. That is mostly concerned with your third unit. But in fourth unit it is mostly goes with the search engine. So we everyone know that search engine is one of the tools or application that will be used to increase the ranking of your product. That is ranking is nothing but the valuability. So maximum parameter how to rank our product in against a number of products. So what are the types of SEO? They explain each and every type of SEO. What is the concept and benefit, disadvantage of radio? So how we um, promote our product or how we upload our any video or any advertisement through the SEO, then how we make the increase the ranking of that SEO. So both third and fourth unit is mostly concerned with the practical oriented. So already we conducted one of the workshop on that digital marketing parameters. So that time also they explain related with the how we make the advertisement. So how we increase the value of product or any things that will be help the digital marketing to increase the number of parameters. So that things will be a concern with the related with the fourth unit. So we have two different tasks in a third unit. Third unit we have to go with creating our one of the advertisement of any product, or it may be related with your profiles. You can create your profiles and post on the Facebook, increase your likes, create your avatar accounts, modify, express your feelings, emotions, and all the information through the your profiles. So that will be created by you yourself, and that things we learned in our third unit. But in fourth unit, any product, any video that will be can you go with any product or any parameter and make one of the video related that by yourself and promote that product. So how the ranking will be increased. So the best example we consider with that. Suppose we when we go with after your 12th complete and when we give the CAT exam, you finding the number of colleges and searching on Google's. Just regarding that fourth unit, we go with that one right now. So we have to create that parameter related with that one. So just will that we finding the just searching on the Googles and getting the number of list of colleges, top 10 colleges or related that one. So how they make so maximum searching will be help to making the increase. So that parameter we have to consider and learn in a related with our fourth unit. So these are four, just given that introduction. In detail, we observe the number of thing, number of parameter in this when we go with the actual deep study. So considering with the first unit or whatever the parameter we concerned with that one. So first point is the fundamental of digital marketing and its significance. So first we understand the concept of digital marketing. Hmm? What is the digital marketing? What is your significance related with a cost efficiency, wider search, ability to build customize base, to increase the brand awareness and drive the high ROI compared to the traditional marketing, to how to increase the number of parameter. So generally, when we consider that digital marketing fundamental, mm, uh, any parameter, so that will be a produce and service online. So whatever you making marketing app that your product, it should go online. This include website optimization, that is SEO, uh, content marketing, social media marketing, then email marketing, online marketing. These all tools are will be used for the your digital marketing. So that will be a consider parameter of that. So whenever you go with the fundamental of digital marketing contents, so first parameter is related with the search engine optimization. That is a very important parameter we consult with search engine optimization. For in this, we can improve the website visibility in a search engine result. The page to be a attract organic and traffic. So whatever the traffic of your website that will be attracts to other, because we have the number of uh, websites, and that parameter will be used for that one. So first consider within that way. Next is a pay per click. So that is a, one of the way of to make advertisement, right? So we know that we observe that there are number of advertising maybe comes on your mobiles and website and whatever you go with online. So somebody will be pay after we making some of the clicks. So what is the meaning of that? Some people go to the reach that link, open that will be a, one of the concept related to that. So somebody will be a share their links related to their product, their advertisement, any poster or any website, any applications. So they promote that one. So they're sending some of the links, and it says that after you opening and sending the screenshot or making some registration, you get the some of the amount. So that way to attract the maximum people towards the your product. So that is one of the way to make increasing the product value or the maximum customer or the attract the traffic towards the your products. So that is one of the way to that is called as a pay per click. So next parameter is related with the social media. So social media is a, we know that everyone will be a connected. So it may be a concern with your Facebook, WhatsApp platform, what is the online platform, that Instagram, that way to make a more attractive towards these. So that will be a, one of the engine that will audience and the promoting the brands on your platform like Facebook and Instagram. So that is one easily and available media that is in a single click we connect with number of peoples. Everything will be expressed that either it's or emotion and other parameter, all things will be attached to, and number of people and community will be connected with easily, and they are easily available with that one. Next parameter is a content marketing. So it is a very important parameter that whatever you making, it's like that when we creating any website, they're having number of application. But what important application is in your any project or any device that should be highlighted. So it is related with that one. It is content marketing. So it creating and distributing the value contents. It may be related any video blogs to attract and engage the target of audience. So it is a content base. What content will be a, make more highlighted to make a marketing. So that parameter will be like just we taking one example. Whenever we move into a market condition, so there are number of banners will be available, and the banners in banners we observing that some of the things will be highlighted by a large text is like that suppose the 50% discount up to 10% discount. So what will be that that content that attracts to us you to at least you learn and go through that one or visit one time related with that. So that is one of the way. So if any product having some of the different things and that need to be attract, so that content based marketing is one of the important. Next is a email marketing. Sometimes we also called as it is a professional marketing. It is a one of the professional because most of the time we did that in WhatsApp and Facebook or Instagram, whatever the ads will be come. Somebody will be believe and somebody will be not be believe. But email marketing is one of the we say that official way to communicate to that. So people mostly believe on that one. So In communication, in email marketing, we can market our product by sending the brochure, by sending the information, by giving the details of that one. So the easily number of peoples will be communicate with that one. So we can directly communicate with number of peoples by that one. N- Another type is affiliated marketing. So affiliated is related with one of the third party, which will be a interface to make more marketing. Or sometimes we said it is like a partnering with affiliated promote products or services which can be a provide to make communities just we taking the example when we make any selling of products. So most of the company they are not directly goes to a market, so they give the task to the third person to make the marketing of our product, so maximum customer will be reached to us. So that will be one of the way of marketing. Or some in television we know that we observe the number of advertisement of different parameters. So television is one of the third party that will be not a product generated and not a product seller. So they only make a marketing related with the product. So that is one of the way to make a marketing of the parameter. So this concept is related with that. So basically, when we go with a scenario, that is a traditional marketing and digital marketing, that concept is very important. So basically, when we go observing the difference between that one, so in traditional marketing, most of the time we go with the printed ads, newspapers, magazines, then broadcast ads is like a radio, televisions, bill boards, direct mail, and off most of the time is offline. So that will be a concern with a traditional marketing. But when we compare with a digital marketing, so most of the time we go with a website, social media, email marketing, search engine, then market SEM, content marketing. So that will be a consider. So though observing this parameter related with that one parameter, we know that the physical effort will be taken in a traditional marketing. More effort, more manpower, more costing will be required. But in digital marketing, it is a one. We say that at a one place we can reach to the maximum. But in traditional marketing, it quite difficult to reach to the customer. It's like just like suppose we creating one poster of your any product, and that time we have to design the poster, then we have to take the printout of press your whatever the poster. After that, we find out the areas where that will be a maximum will be a sale. Then physically people need to be a go there and distribute your posters, try to communicate with the customers, explain about that things. So here will be require more effort, more manpowers, and the time consuming is more. But in a digital marketing, everything will be available in a single platform, right? In Facebook, just we making one of the ad and posting that, so it interconnect with the number of people. So number of people will be receive WhatsApp simple parameter. If you want to send a message to a group of people, so we just making a group and send a message within a seconds. So that things will be a distinguish about the related weight. So consult parameter is reach. It can be a broad reaching large audience but with less target recession. So we know that one. So it's not possible to physically reach to everyone and explain everyone with the same amount of efficiency. So it is quite difficult. But digital marketing is globally rich. We can interconnect with globally at in the same place, and we target specific description and the interested. We can also be segregated and distinguish between the that ones, right? So cost consult parameter, it can be a huge cost required for the traditional marketing. It is more expensive compared to the any parameter, because large scale campaigning will be require more cost. But In digital marketing, it is mostly cost effective than compared to traditional marketing, because whatever things will be available in a online platform, you can easily assess and modify that. So whatever things, that everything will be related with your result oriented and what you understand and summarize between that one, right? So measurability is one of the important parameter concerned with both the parameter. So it have some limitation. Traditional marketing have some limitation because whatever the reach will be is limited. It is making it difficult to track the exact ROI of uh, campaigning. We can does not know because what type of customer will be reacted with us, and same thing will be comes to us. So make analysis that no. But in digital marketing, whatever the directly interconnected with the customer, whatever things we use the number of options that can easily considered with that one parameter. So considering with the strength parameter, it can be a build a brand credibility, reach local audience. Mostly local audience will be possibly be reach that. It is concerned with the targeted, cost effective, and ability to track the result. Weakness considered with that less targeted can be expensive and hard return to be a result. High competitive potential can for the ad and the related with the technology. So mostly consider that. So basic differences are related with that one. So traditional marketing is getting quite difficult. It require more manpower. It require more cost, but reachability is less. Reachability is very less, and limited people will be available. So does not know how many product will be a sales on that. But in digital marketing, the single platform will be a provide to reach maximum customer, to reach a maximum customer. So that will be a help to us to getting the maximum marketing of your product. So the selling will be an increase, and no doubt the value of product will be an increase in a digital marketing. So it is the best way we have to go with a digital. So maximum um currently the trend is go with the digital marketing. So because of this all parameter will be a consider that the digital market, why we go with the digital marketing. And you can clear that one. What is the actual difference between the traditional marketing and the digital marketing? That parameter will be a clarify properly. So in exam point of view, I explain everything with this point six. So you have to explain everything depend upon that points. So whatever the concept, technical parameter will be a consider is like measurability, cost, reachability, weakness, that need to be explained in both the way. That is a good way to uh, explain that concept. So whenever we go with a digital marketing landscape or strategy, so that is one of the parameter we have to consider related that things. So we know that landscape is nothing but platform. Whatever the platform we have to work on that one. So the landscape of digital marketing is referring the various channels. That is nothing but a platform, techniques and tools to be a outreach to customer through a paid and organic marketing process, the fundamental of components that make up this landscape. So first parameter is related with a website. It is a one famous and mostly utilizable landscape for the digital marketing. So website is obtaining the related with the company's online preference. So how we know that any product, right? So how before, if it is not possible physically you go and verify everything, but in a single web with a website you can introduce you about your companies, your products, all details that will be available on your online on digital marketing. serving and various store format, information hub, and primary point of interaction with customer. So we say that it is one of the primary communication with a customer. So the customer, we know about our product, they know about who will be a generate this product, what is the quality of product, what parameter required to be a reach to that product, right? And what beneficial for that one, which functionality will be needed for we understood for that product. All primary information related with product is easily available with a website. Same example I explaining about that one. When after your 12th completion, when you finding the number of colleges list, every time you go and open their website, understand how that college. Nobody will be first time visited physically on that college, but you can observe that how the college will be a look, right? What will be their facility will be a provide. You can check their gallery. You can check their placement activities. You can check their library. Then all the parameters related with that college, and then we comes to that. So it is one of the primary interaction of your any product or company through a website. So website is one of the important landscape or sometime platforms that which interconnect to the customer and which make a positive thing to the customer about that product, right? Second parameter is the social media. So everyone know about the social media. So that is one of the platforms such as the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn offers a unique way to be engaged with a target audience, build brand awareness. We can make awareness about it, drive the conversion. So know that Facebook, just like when taking example, suppose we searching one of the video on the Facebook related with some of the games, right? So whenever we searching some of the that one, in next day you can appear number of uh, same type of video whenever you open your Facebook. So what will be the Facebook have a capability to filter out the uh, uh, depend upon the need of customer. How the customer will be which parameter will be they searching on the Facebook, they go with that one. So they have a capability to segregate and separate out the peoples depend upon their needs and provide the same parameter. So what will be happen that if I am interested some of the things and that same thing will be appearing with my social media, so I can easily more interested for that one and go to be purchase. So that is one of the way to target the audience. Those are interested in that video. So it can be a maximum building promoting the product that will be increase the branding awareness, and that will be a conversion. So that is one of the way which can easily available, that is called as a social media, and it is most concerned with number of parameters. Next is email. Everyone know about the email marketing, right? So it is a cost-effective way to be reach a customer directly in their inbox, right? And because of it is a written something about that your mail with their some of the contents, so the believeness will be an increase compared to the other type of that. So email marketing allows the business to be a send a newsletters, promotions, then personalized messages that will be possible to you interact with the number of customers. Next is a search engine optimization. It is one of the best tools for the increasing the branding of your product. By optimizing the website content and the follow the best practices, the business can be improve their search engine ranking and attract more organic traffic, right? So it is concerned with that more people will be reached to that. So whatever thing we observe that in that one, suppose we does not know any product and just searching on Google and that show the some of the product. So the first 10 list or whatever the first product observe, we can go and searching with that one and we can believe. So that will be help to make a ranking of that, and that will be done by the search engine optimization. So that is one of the best tool for considering and increasing the branding of your product. And concerned with the mobile marketing, every know. So generally we know that now currently every people have their mobile, and it is a smart mobile, and everyone use the social media. So mobile marketing is a very, very important part, because we can reach maximum people. It's like just we taking a website, those having desktop and that type of services with them, they can observe that one. Okay, but mobile is everyone will be having. Just making a last survey, near about 900 millions peoples will be having the mobiles in India. So maximum reachability to the customer, that will be increase the maximum branding, and that will be increase the selling indirectly. So that is a best, and so one of the famous marketing parameter is a mobile marketing, with a majority of people accessing the internet via mobile device. The creating mobile responsive websites, apps, advertising, campaigning is essential for the reaching the audience on the go.